So carrying the FJ400 was not always ideal. However, I did take them to some weddings. I do a lot of barn weddings and farm weddings, and the sun can be blaring at noon, 1 o'clock. And so it was still a good choice, but I needed something smaller. I needed something more portable, something like Speedlights, a 200 watt that was more compact that I can actually carry around, meaning that I would have less gear in the bag to lug around. I know for sure I'll be using mainly the Speedlights because I always have one on camera, 2 off camera for my reception. I love a cross lighting situation. So the FJ200 is absolutely perfect for my wedding workflow. And even when I go on portraits on location, even if I don't want to bring the big one, I could just literally put it in one of my bags. It's that portable, and take it on the go and set up and be happy to go. The light quality, even from the FJ80, is such a small speed light, but that thing is powerful, it's consistent, the color is great. And I cannot stress that enough. If you want to do less post-processing, then you always want to make sure you have great quality of light. Not all lights are made equal. And this light right here was absolutely phenomenal. Just some of the features with the adapters that you can add on. I love using the grids. We use one of the diffusers on the FJ80 as well too. And even using the CTO gels that's so compatible that literally you just put it in on the top, turn it in, and you're good to go. And you can go ahead and match the lighting in the room, flip the settings in your camera, and now you're good to go. So you have everything complete all in one system. I love the design, even more so even how you charge it, how the battery pack goes literally on the front. What even more is impressive is the menu system. The fact that it is literally touchscreen and I don't have to be rolling dials and scrolling and doing all these different things at a wedding. I can literally click a button, and if I want to go from one power higher to the next, I can literally click on the screen, since it's touchscreen, go up or down and get easy to my settings instead of just trying to fumble around at the wedding, because it's so fast paced and you gotta be ready and on the go. And this functionality of the menu allows me to just seamlessly take care of what I need to and be Johnny on the spot for my bride.